You're horrible!
You know what? I can impact it. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Lillian.
Lillian.
Then who are you?
I'm a fridge.
Oh, nice.
I got so much junk.
So, who you dating, Bridge? Dating a black squirrel?
No. Fuck tard.
You're dating a tard?
No, I'm dating the freezer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why.
Then kiss it.
That's why she's on top of me.
Then make out with it.
Huh?
Then hump it. I don't believe you. Where the fuck are you? Oh my god, your eyes.
La la la.
Let's talk about
Sex.
baby.
Let's talk about you and me. Like this. Okay, I'm back.
Did you like the video?
Well, if you do, you should really like it.
No, we don't like it.
No!